We got another video coming at you. Today we're actually going to be installing two little pieces on the bike, nothing crazy. I just want to replace the Yamaha emblems from chrome to red, and then replace the R1 logos from black and blue, or sorry, gray and blue, to this red and black. Should be pretty simple. We got my girlfriend's, trusty Dyson right there. So we're gonna heat up the sticker and heat up the emblem right here. Hopefully that'll make it a little bit simpler to pry off. And I think it should look really cool. So I'm excited to do this. I've been wanting to get rid of this R1. I don't really like the blue. It just does not mesh with the rest of the bike. And the chrome, it's cool, but I feel like it could be better. All right, so if you guys don't know what this is, the Dyson hair dryer. If you guys have girlfriends and you haven't bought them this, definitely go ahead and buy them this, because this will make them very, very happy. But anyways, let's go ahead and do this. Didn't prep as well as I wanted. I wanted this whole sticky piece to come up with it, but it is what it is. No big deal. Let's try heating it up first. That worked. Ended up getting it really hot and then basically just rolling my finger like this, and it slowly came off. There is some residue, so we'll clean that up after, but let's go ahead and move on to the right side. Go. There we go. All right, same thing, super hot. And what I mean by roll, I literally just took my finger, broke it right there, and then just rolled. Now that we got the right side and the left side, we will have to clean those, obviously, because we want the adhesive from the new ones to stick perfect and not come up. So we'll do that after, but right now we're gonna go ahead and move on to the stickers. Let's go ahead and get those pulled off. And the stickers that I got for reference, I didn't pick the right size, unfortunately. So they're a tad bit smaller. So as you can see, those almost go from, and then this will be, oh, you can tell like right there. It's a little bit smaller, most definitely. So hopefully it looks good. I think it'll be fine. All right, cool. So we got started there. So let's see if we can just slowly pull it off. This all black looks so sick, actually. What the hell? Perfect. All right, so we're just that much closer. Literally all we're gonna do is take some acetone, clean up the old residue, get it all nice and polished, and then we can go ahead and start applying the new stickers. So let's do that now. Go ahead and go into your girlfriend's cabinet and get her acetone, because I would assume you girls all have this, and then get a little wipe and go ahead and clean the area. Cool, so we got all that wiped down. I recommend just going over with microfiber towel, just make sure there's no like dust or anything. Cool, there we go. She is all blacked out now, pretty shiny. And we can go ahead and start applying the emblems. Let's go ahead and throw those old ones out. Get rid of the acetone, put that to the side. All right, so my recommendation would be just to get the surface area hot so the emblem sticks better. And then, I don't know if there's any particular way to align this, but I'm gonna make it so the arrow is facing down. And there you go. And then just press down for like 10 seconds. All right, there you go. Looks super good in my opinion. Really nice, ties it all together very, very well. Go ahead and do the left side. Let's go ahead and do that now. Oh, so much better. Cool, so we got the left, we got the right, and literally all we need to do left is now put the black and red R1 sticker right there on the front fairing. So let's go do that now. And while I'm at it, I'm actually thinking about possibly taking out this Yamaha sticker. So stay tuned, that may or may not happen, I'm not sure yet. Holy shit, guys, the bike's behind me and it looks so sick. I'm so stoked. I'm gonna have to throw some before and afters in this video, but let's go ahead and check it out. This thing looks sinister with all the black and red now. So sinister, so fucking cool. Got the red emblem, red grips, the red bar ends, the red valve stems and spools. Got the red bolts for the license plate. In my opinion, it's not too much. It's just perfect. The only thing I'd probably want to do next is going to be the sprocket. I don't know if I want to do black or red. Let me know down in the comments below what you guys think. I think red would be really cool because you don't really see people do, I feel like, colored sprockets. But oh my god, I can't get over this. This thing is, oh my god, I'm so stoked on this. Wow. Let me know down in the comments below if you guys think this looks good. Give me some suggestions on what I should do next. If you guys think there's anything else I should do. I think before the sprocket, I think I might actually do this weekend, is I want to torch this whole exhaust so the entire thing is blue and purple. And then I'm thinking about possibly either taking this off or sanding it and then painting it black so it matches the rest of the bike. Regardless, this is turning out really good, and I don't know why, but I feel like the red emblem and the red logo just really tied it all together. I did take off the front Yamaha sticker that was right there as well. I just thought the gray sticker didn't, kind of threw the rest of the bike off. But here she is, and I don't know about you guys, but damn, this thing looks so good. I'm really happy with where my R1's coming. I think from where it started to where it is now, this thing is just a completely different bike. I mean, I've had it for 8 months. We did, obviously, the emblems we did today. We've got the tank grip, we got the carbon fiber rear fender, got the tires, or the valve stems, the spools, the exhaust, the rear sets, bar ends, grips. We got front brake master cylinder. We've got clutch perch. And I think that would be it for now. All we really need left is, you know, sprocket, a tune, maybe get bar end mirrors, get rid of the mirrors on the front, paint that panel down there, torch the rest of the exhaust, and I think I'm good. I don't have a whole lot more I want to do to this bike. Well, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for sticking around. Make sure to leave a comment down below whether you like the bike or not. Give me some suggestions on what I should do next. And besides that, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Like and subscribe. Peace.